Look what I did. I picked up the KetoKrate subscription box, y'all, for the month of June. They got me with the email with the 15, 20, 25% off. I don't even remember. I just snatched it up because I'm like, I need snacks. So I'm going to open up all these snacks right now, starting with the Keto Chips right here, spicy flavor. Now, all of these snacks, they say, are 5 net carbs or less. So we're going to test this out. Let me know if you have picked up the KetoKrate before and what your thoughts are on it. Spicy Nacho snack chips. All right, y'all. It looked like Doritos, right? Doritos adjacent. Crunchy. Flavorful. I like these. I'm surprised. I am super picky with my snacks, y'all. This is really good, though. I actually would buy these in the store. I really would. Chipmunk lemon poppy seed cookie. I believe I have tried these cookies before in different flavors from this brand. Can't remember if I like the lemon or not. So, soft. That's good, y'all. Look at that. You could look at it. It looks moist, don't it? Look, I just dropped a piece. No. I'm not going to sit here and eat all of these snacks. I'm just going to taste, nibble. Y'all know those Cheez-Its crackers? Well, look at here. Competition, keto style. Fat snacks. Now, I've seen this many a time online. And I'm like, I wonder what those taste like. We about to find out. So look at this. Y'all let me know. Thicker. You can tell the texture is completely different than what you are normally used to with the flour and all that good stuff. The gluten happening. Y'all, this is, no. Almond flour. That's where the difference comes in. If you are looking, you know what? I set myself up for failure. Because I'm like, ooh, these are going to be so close to those Cheez-Its. No, they're not it. They're less crunchy. Y'all, they're just not, it's not what I thought it would be. These have way less of a crunch to it. Way less cheesy taste. Those are a no for me. If you are enjoying this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button, comment, and like. It always helps my channel. Check out the playlist of all the keto food items that I have available for you in the playlist down below. Ooh, cookies. Ooh, cookies. Now, sugar is something that never goes away, that you love, but try to have it in a more healthy manner. And this is it. So let's see what sugar they're using. Probably stevia. I'm going to guess it's stevia or monk fruit or something like that. Am I right? Allulose. Okay. So let's go in. Catalina Crunch. I've seen these a billion times online, but I never picked them up, and I always wanted to. I always get scared by reviews. What about y'all? You go online, you're looking like, ooh, what can I get to help me stay on track? And then you, boom, get hit in the face, popped in the mouth by the reviews. So let's see what's happening. These look like those sandwich cookies, like the, not Oreo. We're, y'all, kind of like Oreo they look like, but just those vanilla cream cookies. That's what the flavor is. So let's see what's popping with this. Smells good. Crunchy. These are good. I would absolutely buy these. They don't remind me of Oreos, but they remind me of those. It's another cookie, y'all. A cookie brand that looks just like these. What are those cookies? They taste like that. So good. Winner, chicken flipping dinner. Y'all ready for some crunch in your mouth and some big flavor? I got high hopes for these. I've seen some good reviews. Southern recipe, small batch pork rinds in the spicy dill flavor. So we about to see what's going on with these. And if you missed my review of the whole video is different flavors of pork rinds. Check out that video. After this one, I'll pop it in up here. So I'm gonna see how these stack up to Vinny's Tropical Smoke pork rinds, because those are bomb-licious. I got high hopes for you. Let's see what you're working with. Okay, good. Crunch is there. They're good, y'all. The flavor is very tangy, as it should be, because it's the, the spicy dill. I'm not a big fan of the flavor. You know what I mean? But I know there are some people who just love their pickles and all that going on, the big fat ones. This might be right up your alley. But if you love pork rinds, y'all, and pork skins, check out that video that I'm referring to. Tropical Smoke. Bomb. Time for some hydration. Now this is perfect. These are great for on the go. These are hydration mix electrolyte packets in different flavors. 0 carbs, 0 sugar, 0 calories. You can't go wrong with that. I love to just open one of these, pour it in a water bottle, shake it up, boom, all set. Have y'all ever seen candy chips, y'all? It's ice chips, berry flavored, accented with xylitol as the sweetener. I've never heard of this. I have never seen it in the store, not seen it online. So this is interesting. If you have, let me know down below. So this is what they look like, y'all. Little chips, like seriously, little chips. Now, I'm trying to figure out what, I know. Okay, y'all know those, I think it's called Lick'em-Aid, something like that. The little stick, the chalk stick, is candy though. And you stick it in the powder. It tastes like the stick that you stick in the powder. That's what this tastes like. There's not much aftertaste of that nasty sweetener kind of taste either. I like these, y'all. These are winners. I probably wouldn't pick them up in the store if I saw them, but these I'm gonna throw in my purse. We are coming down to the wire. This is the last item that I'm gonna give y'all some key housekeeping tips concerning this box, all right, that you're gonna wanna know before you purchase. This is a nice little snack bar from Love Good Fats, and it's only 2 grams of sugar. That's amazing. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you do. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. That helps me out. And then make sure you comment below what your favorite item is that I reviewed today. And then make sure you hit that like button, because that always helps me out, okay? Ooh, that looks good, y'all. I didn't expect it to look that good. Look at all that. Ooh, nuts and grains and chocolate. Oh. Number 1, you're gonna be chewing for days with this. It's very chewy. It's got nuts and stuff in it. Anyway, I'm sure this is dark chocolate because it's not very sweet, y'all. Not very sweet. No wonder the 2 grams is hitting like 2 grams for real. So, but it's a healthy way to have a snack bar with a little bit of boost of chocolate. All the stuff in it is good for you. So, hey. Ooh, a coupon, $120 off of Green Chef, which is like a home delivery food service. Very delicious, fresh foods delivered to your home. I do believe you cook these, right? All right. So y'all, that concludes my review of the KetoKrate for June. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what your favorite item was down below. A few details concerning this box that'll help you out when you are getting ready to place your order. The original cost of the box is $39.99 for your subscription. However, I got a nice discount. I do believe it was around 25%, y'all, because I paid $27.99 after it was all said and done with the tax and shipping and all that. I thought, why not give it a try? I like most of the items in here. I'm happy with what I purchased. Will I continue on with the subscription? Probably not, but it was fun to check it out and have a nice variety of different things to try that I can pick up in the store if I see it or online. All right. I will see y'all on the next video of Home Fix. Take care. Bye, y'all.